Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by grabbing the welder and confirming power. This is critical because welders need electricity or ship reactors to function. Aim at the blueprint or damaged block and press the weld input to start adding metal. Once done, maintain a steady aim and observe the build progress bar because speed depends on power and component availability. Make sure to carry spare components. Welding pauses when parts run out, so you avoid interruptions and wasted time. You now move into detailed execution. Bring up the projector or blueprint and align it with the grid. This gives exact placement, which prevents misaligned blocks later. Once aligned, manage power and assembler feeds, higher reactor output speeds welding, while assemblers supply needed components. Keep an eye on weld distance and angle. Welding from too far reduces efficiency. Also, when working on moving ships, stabilize gyros and thrusters first. Because welds strain, you finish by completing all seams and removing projector ghosts. Once the hull is whole, reconnect power and gradually enable systems to avoid sudden stress. Test gyros and thrusters at low power and inspect for missing armor or incomplete blocks. If things go wrong, troubleshoot immediately. Welding stalls usually mean low power, empty assemblers, wrong ownership, or projector misalignment. Check those in order. Finally, repaint or armor plate exposed areas to protect welds from combat and debris.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.